Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this Creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to insert a background image inside a table cell in Word for stylish document designs, menus, certificates, schedules, presentations, and professional layouts. Adding images inside table cells can make your table look modern, attractive, and visually impressive. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. We can see we already open a document. This is an assignment for my college. Now I am go this table and add picture to this cell. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. We can see the picture is inserted on the table cell, but picture size is too big. Now I am resize the image. At first, click and drag to resize the image on the table cell. Select the table, go to the format menu, click the wrap text drop down menu, choose in front of text, then resize table easily. Now we can see we insert a picture into table cell very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.